Hello and welcome to this video tutorial showing Teamsite integration with Optimost to import and use well-performing cloud audiences. Optimost is an A/B or multivariate testing SaaS optimization system to identify winning content for target audiences. As a part of the system integration feature set, Teamsite 16.6.1 provides an easy way to use cloud audiences from Optimost and reduce the duplicate effort in audience creation and leveraging cloud definitions. Within Teamsite Administration UI, make sure that Optimost is set up and test successfully. Now let's illustrate how easy an audience can be created in Optimost. Log into Optimost. Select Audiences. Let's create a new audience. Enter audience name and description. Then create a condition. There is a long list of runtime targeting attributes starting with cookies, technologies, where you can select different types of technologies, devices, geolocation by different categories, URL type, and many others. For this example, we are using cookies. Enter the condition name and next. Enter cookie name and the keyword to look for. Then click Finish. Save this new audience. Find the audience just created and click the arrow to share. Confirm sharing with outside systems. Notice the arrow button color changes from gray to blue. The view can be filtered by shared audiences for clarity. Now let's switch back to Teamsite. Select Targeting, Segments, and notice the newly created Cloud Segments tab. A note to remember, what is called an audience in Optimost is referred to as segment in Teamsite. Let's import the Cloud Segments from Optimost. Select our newly created segment. Also select the mobile user segment. Notice that the card members Platinum segment is disabled since it has already been imported. Click Import. These imported segments or audiences are not copies, but links to audiences in Optimost. Any changes within these audiences in Optimost will be reflected in Teamsite. Conversely, if a user deletes a cloud segment in Teamsite, the information remains untouched in Optimost. In fact, if you open a segment, you can see its current condition set in Optimost. You also can click on Open in Optimost to edit the segment or audience. If needed, you can click on the condition to edit. Let's close this tab. Back in Teamsite, users can use these cloud segments just like they use the native segments in server-side targeting and sitemap tailoring. As you can see, by this integration with Optimost, Teamsite 16.6.1 segment creation will benefit tremendously from easily importing well-performing cloud audiences produced using the simplicity of audience creation in the Optimost UI. This allows customers to curate a list of centralized shared cloud audience definitions that can be brought back into Teamsite for targeting, which increases efficiency and productivity.